In today's video, we are taking you on a tour of stunning contemporary kitchen design. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and a well-designed space can elevate both the functionality and aesthetics. So, let's step inside and explore this modern kitchen masterpiece. Hi, welcome back to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel where we bring you easy and practical tips for your beautiful home decoring. Welcome to this contemporary kitchen that combines sleek design with practically. The first thing you will notice in this kitchen is the clean and minimalistic aesthetic with a focus on straight lines and smooth surface. The style creates a sense of openness and allows the kitchen to seamlessly integrate with the rest of the living space. Take a look at the layout of this kitchen. The placement of the appliances, cabinets, and countertops has been carefully planned to optimize efficiency and workflow. The kitchen triangle, consisting of the sink, stove, and refrigerator. It well balanced and ensure a smooth cooking experience. Now let's talk about the materials used in this contemporary kitchen. The cabinets are made of high quality glossy white acrylic, providing a sleek and reflective surface. The countertop are crafted from durable quarters, which is not only visually appealing but also resistant to stains and scratches. These materials contribute to the kitchen modern and luxury look. Moving on the appliances and fixture, this kitchen is equipped with the state-of-the-art appliances that combine functionality with style. The stainless steel refrigerator, oven, and dishwasher seamlessly blend into the design. The sink features a sleek single bowl design with a modern faucet, while the overhead range hood add a touch of sophistication. Storage is a crucial aspect of any kitchen, and this contemporary design does not disappoint. The cabinet feature clever storage solutions such as pull-out drawers, built-in organizers, and deep shelves. The pantry is spacious and well organized, offering ample space of food storage. This kitchen ensures that everything has its place and allow for a clutter-free and efficient cooking experience. Lighting plays a crucial role in any kitchen, and this contemporary design incorporates both functionality and ambience. The recessed ceiling lights provide ample illumination for food presentation and cooking taste. Pendant lights hang over the kitchen island, not only providing additional torch lighting, but also add a touch of visual interest and style. And that's all a tour of this stunning contemporary kitchen design. The clean lines, sleek material, efficient layout, and thoughtfully chosen fixture make this kitchen a true masterpiece of modern design. I hope you enjoyed this tour and found inspiration for your own kitchen design. If you like the video, please give thumbs up and subscribe to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us today, and may your kitchen be a place of enjoyment. Take care. Happy decorating.